Recently, I did a project with Windows Active Directory. So in this video, I will talk about what Active Directory is, how it works, and what I did in my project. So first, let me explain what Active Directory is. Active Directory is a directory service provided by Microsoft. There are other types of directory services, such as Apple Open Directory, OpenLDAP, but essentially, they have the same functions, which is to manage and provide essential information in a network. Essential information in a network includes user information, device information, file, or groups, as well as authentication or access control. And in Active Directory, there are just two key components, domain controller and client. Since Active Directory is centralized service and domain controller is a central system, domain controller is where all the essential information is stored. So that's the brief explanation of what Active Directory is, and let me explain what I did in my project. So first, I hosted two machines virtually on my laptop. First, I hosted Windows 2022 server and configured it as domain controller. And in the configuration, I added several roles such as directory service, certificate service, DHCP DNS, things like that. And then I used PowerShell script to automatically generate over 1,000 users in my domain I created, which is mydomain.com. And after that, I created this client with Windows 10 connected to mydomain.com. I did it because I wanted to know if the DHCP function I configured works or not. And after connecting the client to the domain controller, I was able to ping google.com from the client, which means the DHCP and DNS functions worked, and the client was able to connect to the internet through the domain controller. So this is what I've done in this little project, but this is kind of the initial configuration of this environment, and I'm planning to do other stuff to get deeper understandings of this system. So directory service is one of the most important IT infrastructure used for an organization or companies. So therefore, in order to secure IT systems for organizations, we need to understand how it works and how to prevent attacks to them. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.